Hi Girish, how are
Hello,
you?
sir. I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. So when did you join Law Seco?
In 2020.
2020. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you do now? And give us a little bit of background. Where are you?
So I'm actually working in Bombay
Okay.
at Quilon Partners. Earlier, I used to work with Nishit Desai Associates and Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas.
Okay.
And yeah, I mean, I had pursued a course with Lawsico on M&A.
As a
And
college student, as a final year student.
that's right, that's right.
Okay. And how did you? How did it help you?
So I actually, Lawsico really encouraged me to publish articles on M&A so that, it gives you visibility as well as you learn everything about M&A. So that's how it started. And everything about the course, right from the course material and even the assignments are such that, like I was drafting something like a scheme of amalgamation. And I was actually drafting agreements such as a share purchase agreement,
In the
etc.
course,
during the
real
course.
corporate work.
Yeah, real corporate work. So which gave me, hands-on experience about M&A, because that's not something you can learn during college as part
And
of the
did it
syllabus.
help you to do better at internships?
It did, because it gave me a fair idea about, all these concepts that I was not familiar with.
Hmm.
And yeah, so
Great. And did you get some internships through Law
yeah,
Seco's
so
assistance?
actually I had got an internship, a research-based internship with a professor from Jindal. So I had
It
authored
was through Law Seco's assistance?
that was through Lawsico,
Okay.
and that was actually authored a paper with him on hostile takeovers,
Ah,
which is very relevant again for M&A.
right.
And it was a comparative analysis between India and US. And we actually managed to publish a paper in a Scopus Index journal.
Hmm.
And I got paid around 40K for that.
Hmm.
And, that was a huge
Wow,
thing.
you got paid 40K for by a
Yeah,
professor.
that's right.
Great. And
And
this helped you to get more internships?
it did. Again, through that, after I published that, it was in a Scopus Index journal. So again, publishing on a Scopus Index journal is very difficult. Again,
Right.
I believe
It helps the professor also, right? So you did a favor basically, a very good favor for them.
actually, I'm a listed author on the Jindal Law School website as well.
Arey wah.
If
Wah.
you write my name, which is Ishwar Girish, my full name, you can actually find me there now.
Ah.
So that way, it was a big thing for me. And after I published this, on LinkedIn, again, other people reached out to me. I was given an offer to author for a textbook on insider trading.
Ah.
So again, that was a
Did you
freelance.
take that up?
I did take it up. That book is still in the works, and
So after that, the things would have exploded because any
yeah,
law firm interview or internship you
exactly.
talk about these things, it'll explode, right?
Exactly. So again, when I had started applying for jobs, Nishit Desai Associates was a research-based firm, and this paper that I'd written and published in a Scopus Index journal was my selling point.
Hmm.
And they actually asked a lot of questions about that in my interview as well, regarding that particular paper and other publications that I had done over the course of my last year and during my course at Lawsico. So yeah, that way it was really helpful.
So answering that basically helped you to get in, and they knew that you have a lot of knowledge,
That's right.
right? And then you worked at NDA, then you moved to Cyril
Cyril Amar.
Amarchand Mangaldas,
That's right.
right? And then you moved. Now you work in a smaller firm.
Yeah, it is a boutique law firm.
Huh.
It is called Quilon Partners.
Quilon Partners. Is it better there?
Well, I actually moved for different reasons, like in terms of work culture, etc. And certain
But
other
for you
personal-
personally, does it work better?
Well, I'm actually looking to move in-house.
Okay, eventually you
I'm
want to move in-house.
looking for work-life balance, and yeah.
Great. Now though you have enough exposure and all of that, you can do these things. But what is the pay like?
The pay is still great. I mean, I'm at one of the highest paid in the industry right now.
Highest
So,
paid in the industry. Small law firms and boutique firms pay very well. What is it range? Some range if you can share.
well, if I have to give out the figures, it's around 1,55,000.
1.55. So
before
totally
tax.
around 18-20 lakhs.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it is 18.6, right?
That's very good, yeah. So amazing. And what was the key difference? The articles, the internship, the skills, the track record. That is what started this, huh?
That's right. That's right. LawSeeker really helped me in that sense. I still refer to the textbook given by LawSeeker, which is a brief book about M&A, and it explains all the topics in a very simpler sense. And like it is just my go-to book at times when I'm
And you
trying to
still find it
understand a
useful?
particular concept. Yeah, it is very useful. So yeah.
After 2 years of working in a law firm.
Yeah, these kind of books always come in handy, and law is a field where you have to learn every day, and so that way LawSeeker is very helpful because
Great.
it helps you learn better.
Awesome. Which college you're from?
Christ University.
Christ University. And in 5th year, he built his track record and got a job in time. And today he's at a great place. He's in a boutique firm. He's worked in the big firms. Right? And I think you should really network a lot with in-house counsels also. And startup founders and SME owners. That will help you move in-house in some time.
Right.
Next 3 months you should move if you want to. How did you manage to get internships before you took up LawSeeker course?
Well, it's just the basic procedure that everyone follows. You find the email ID and tailor your CV according
But
to
he
the
didn't get
requirement.
corporate internships before.
Yeah.
That is the problem. So for getting corporate internships, you need to have some skills. Okay.
That's right.
You can get internship with litigator. Tomorrow you go to district court, you will get internship. Go to NGO, you will get. But how will you use it for track record in corporate? I can tell you this. If you're doing work, putting testimonials in, 3 to 4 months down the line, clients will start reaching out to you. Okay. But you should still continue to pitch. You should not stop pitching. For the love of God, please don't stop pitching unless you are happy where you are. Okay. Once you reach a place where you are happy, I don't think I am that person though. But if you reach a place where you are happy at 2 lakhs a month or 4 lakhs a month, you can stop pitching. But have someone else do it for you so that at least, if some clients you lose, you can have more new clients coming up. Okay, great. Thank you so much.